let's see, what am I doing? Oh, I have to do a few things. Oh no, I'm gonna sneeze. Oh, bless me. Whoopsies. Okay, anyways, what's up everyone? How are we doing? Sorry, this was me testing Debbie's indicator. Worked like a bomb.com over there, by the way. Whew. Getting it all sorted. What's up, Andre? How you doing? And Mike. Hi, guys. Oh, I forget, because I know me, I will forget. It has. How are you doing? How's it all been going? Are we ready for this day? I'm just curious. I don't like this. Okay, sorry. Let me change this. It's gonna drive me crazy. Okay. View app updated. Done. Okie dokie. How was everyone's day yesterday? I see that New York proceeded to be meh, and now I see Asia has just been going like an absolute mad lad. Yeah. Asia has just been bumping. So let's get this party started. I see we have a little bit of a new daily opening gap. A little one. But still a new daily opening gap right here. Wee. Let's throw that across. Awesome. Okay, there's our new daily opening gap. Let's do this. Now we're building house. Not on the right mind. Oh no, that's not okay. Hey, brutal trader, what's up? How are we doing? Sorry, just quickly sorting everything out. We are ready to follow our protocol. Boring day yesterday. That is the biggest understatement I've ever heard. Yesterday was... oh, so bad. Oh, yesterday sucked. Okay. Asia high. Here's actually New York low. Naturally, I got in on the freaking bottom again. And let me just mark this as well. Mother fluffer. Oh well. It happens. So that's now done. Marked out that. I need to mark out midnight. Oh, okay. I see midnight's basically right here. Okay. Midnight open. I forgot to mark up midnight yesterday and it was bugging me so much, so I definitely didn't forget today. Okay, there's the midnight price. Awesome. Now let's see what happens. Is this my live account? It is. What's up? Shaki, what's up? How are you? And Debbie, how are we? Mondays, am I right? I hear that. I hear that. Are we ready?
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Let's get this party started. Okay, so marked out previous day, previous day high, previous day low, you know, all the main points of interest, if you will. I've also marked out the new daily opening gap as well as midnight magnet, midnight open, whatever you want to call it. Now let's do a quick top to bottom analysis before we get the rest of this party started. Okay, so on the daily, don't forget your tea, everybody. Hey Neil, what's up? How we doing? Could this be it? Could this be the start of the retest? Again, I just have to remind myself that trend is friend until it's not. I mean, it's definitely going down right now during Asia, but is it manipulation? And then potentially London accumulation, and then we get distribution later. Atlanta, what's up? Oh no, I did not. What did I not do? I might be thinking to go Tradeify when I finish with my house. Shoot, I don't know if they can just sit and stay. Oh, I'm sure they'll still have awesome deals later on. I was gonna say there's a special that's happening currently until the 30th, but obviously you sort out your things first, you sort out your house, and then we'll go from there. Above changes on them in a good way. Oh no, 100%. 100%. Some awesome changes currently. Oh, thanks, Atlanta. Yeah. Oh, wait, are you upset that it's in flats? Is that what you're upset about? Hey, brightest future, how you doing? I know you don't believe that the Nasty Queen is done. Debbie, what do you mean? This is the 4-hour chart. MNQ, why? Anyway, so 1 hour. Awesome. 1 hour, 15 minute. We're still in this range theoretically, which is irritating. Look at the 1 hour, we're still stuck in this range. Oh my gosh, I just wanted to break below. Well, we're about to actually tap into this support level. So I guess we're gonna have to see how it reacts here now. If it breaks the support, we could start to see some sell-off action starting to come our way, which would be impressive, but let's see. Alright, 1 minute. Hey, Parks for Life, how are you? I'm playfully upset about how great it. Thanks. I'll take it. Appreciate it, Atlanta. Okay, 5 minutes. Yeah, now we're back to the 1. Now just ask yourself, what was the 4-hour chart going? I mean, to be fair, the 4-hour, just all of it. Still like it's just going the same direction right now. Okay, well, here's the 1 minute. And I guess let's see what we get. Hey, Elias, how you doing? How's it going? Okay. So. How close are we to? Ah, a minute away to 3 a.m. Look at us go. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Look for sales unless it changes its course. At this point, we're just gonna do what we can, which is just keep sticking with it, right? So here's the 3 a.m. open. Let's see what it gives us. Ah, so traders buy at support and places their stuff below support. If price breaks support, then everyone will be stopped out and this will cause a pressure on the market to move up. That makes sense. It's not like vice versa though. Same with the sell side movement, Rolf. Oh, that's not what you want to see from a 3 a.m. open. Okay. That's not great. Oh man, guys. I mean, Asia had some real decent movement now. Who got a trade in during Asia? Asia went for it, which is awesome. Asia went real nicely. So do you think that was potentially the manipulation? London could be the accumulation, which would suck. Oh my gosh. It will suck so much if that happens. Hey Virgil, what's up? Mr. Umi, what? Super sell-off, hold for 12% more. We only dropped 2% so far. The thing is, right, you just... trend is friend until it's not. I know we're kind of going down, but on the higher time frames, we're still stuck in this range. So, well, I guess right now the trend is then just sideways, theoretically. Right? But, what's up, everyone?
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Okay, 303. Sorry, I'm kind of curious about this. Oh, that would have been a banger trade. Yeah, pity. Okay. Anyways. Let's see what we get. If we get something, please break. Please, 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 please. Can we get some movement today? Wait, do you know what I didn't do? Hey, Story TV Trades. I didn't do this. Maybe this will give it some oomph.
Okay, let's go.
Give me a sec. I'll just have to go and check. Yeah, give me a minute. No, we're good. Sorry, Perry was barking at something. I just have to make sure it's nothing serious. Maybe he's just barking at the pool again. He doesn't like the pool. I don't know why. I don't know what the pool did to him, but he does not like the pool. Hey, Minimally, how you doing? 27320 is the target high. Are we ready for this thing? Oh, please let it give us some movement. Okay. clearly at the support zone. Like I said, even on the 15-minute, you can see that this is a support zone. So the question is it going to break below? Is it going to reject off of it again? I wouldn't be surprised to see another rejection off of it, to be honest. But I guess we're gonna have to wait and see. What's up, Green Globe? How you doing? And Cam Bam, what's up, guys? Hi. Hi.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Are you guys good? Are you guys amazing? Okay. Okay, well, gonna have to be hands off for now. Really sucks. I don't really want to be hands off today. I'd love to get some trades in, but I am aware that tomorrow is FOMC. I mean, checked all this. Nope, wrong thing. Oops. Look at all this news happening tomorrow. So today, nothing. That's already done. This is tomorrow. Yeah. Tomorrow's about to be insane. Same goes for Thursday. And then all of a sudden, Friday is back to normal. But it's why I'm not really surprised by this price action. It doesn't make it any better. Just getting my CNC, getting to understand. What's up, Shaki? You missed absolutely nothing. Yeah, not much has happened. Hello. What's up, Mario G-Man? How you doing? Are you happy? Hello. Am I celebrating NAS or something? No, this is just a nice shirt. And I'm cold, but not too cold. Like, I'm not cold enough to have a jersey on, but it's not warm enough for me to have like a short sleeve on, so I'm gonna wear my NASA. Alright, man, that's awesome. That's awesome. Be a few evils and give him a good old. Fix heat, see if I can't pass them in one shot. I mean, Shaki, that's one way of doing it, right? Andrew, damn, that donkey's funny. You're a physics graduate. No, I am not. I was really, what the? Yeah, no, I wasn't good at physics, but it's because I had a terrible teacher. Unfortunately, but I still passed. It's something. I won't say I passed really well, but I passed it. What's up, Silver? How you doing? 309. Guys, I've gotten an instantaneous headache from this. Instantaneous. How do you understand the Bob level thing coming along? No, I understand it really well. The only problem is even in this chop, it's not respecting them. Well, that being said, let's see here. Yeah, in this chop, you can see it's not respecting them as well as it was. There it respected, it had a rejection. Here it failed to close above. Even yesterday, we weren't getting like any moves. When it's going sideways, when there's no volume, you're screwed. You need that volume. You need, well, just volume. For my strategy, you know, I need a bit more momentum, but for even the Bob's Bob, you need volume. And there just ain't a damn freaking thing right now. I'm getting a headache from I politely suggest you look at your butterfly of the day or something and reset yourself. Yeah, I'll do it later, don't worry. I think I'm sad. I wanted something better than this, but it is what it is. Atlanta, what about you guys? Have you guys gotten anything yet? Or are you still kind of sitting on your hands? Yeah. The thing looks like it'd be good at catching big volatility swings, bounces. This just looks like it took all the volume from Asia and went, nope, you're done. It's slowly pushing up on ES. Let's see. I always sit on my hands and wait till market open. For some reason, my setup happens at least 4 to 5 times a day. I mean, 4 to 5 times a day is not bad. A few trades, 1.7k up. Nice, Mario. That's good though. Heck, man. Wait, did you take them during Asia session? I'm assuming. You took all those during Asia session, right? I just kind of sit around and wait for it to happen. Oh, themesies. Where we both at. Barry? He's barking at something. I don't know what though. I don't know what he's seeing. What's up, T? How you doing? T. I never thought that out loud, but that's really what I do. I mean, what do you do to keep yourself entertained in between? Out of curiosity. Hey, Live Sound, how you doing? How's it going? Good morning, good morning. I don't know if I'm expecting anything beautiful from today with all the news that's happening Wednesday and Thursday. That being said, Asia actually moved pretty nicely. So, yeah. I saw my bottom fishing early. I'm waiting for a bug drop before going heavier. Oh, okay, Shaki. New volume with order flow and price action. These in trading will massively improve. Debbie, how have you been going, by the way? Atlanta, he's barking at you actually. No, I think he's barking at the pool again. I'm gonna have to go and check. He has beef with the pool. I don't know what it did, but he really doesn't like the pool. He barks at it. Well, okay, to be specific, he barks at, like, you know, that chlorine thing. It has a name. He barks at that. Clearly it looks evil and he hates it. I'll spend 3 hours looking at the boring charts or pull a 12. Oh, you're asking if I would rather spend 3 hours looking at the boring charts or pull a 12-hour shift? Definitely 3 hours looking at the boring charts. I mean, it's a toss-up, don't get me wrong, but definitely the charts. Lifestyle here in Pulp Robots fighting the sea. I've been a stand-up. I kept realizing I'm for like a year now, just in my current setup. Ooh, Atlanta, that's exciting though. Well done. At live. Just testing that previous lower low. Yeah, clearly there's a huge support level here, so now the question is it going to quickly spike down, or are we going to get a bit of a retest back up? Dun dun dun. That is the question. The answer is to be determined. Now here we go. Now we're pushing back up again. Wow, that left a... Oh? pushing up a lot on NQ, not so much on ES. That being said, actually they look, never mind, I lied. I lied, they're pretty similar. You stare at the charts for almost 13 hours. What? Mario G-Man, how many trades do you take a day? Hey, Coach Carter, how you doing? How's it going? How's it going? Okay, well, kind of. Okay, a little bit of a volume imbalance there. We have moved a grand total of 25 points in 15 minutes. Awesome. Only the ones with positive expected value. But how many a day? Like in general, Mario G, how many trades would you say you take a day? Coach Carter, you're phenomenal. That's amazing. Why are you so phenomenal today? I love it. You get blurry after an hour. Lifestyle, maybe the difference is, so me and you are kind of also used to being like outside people. By the sounds of things. Are you an outside person? Life sound? The music's making me sleepy, sorry. Good things I'm gonna short have been almost an hour now, but it's an A+ set up for me. I'm holding trade, expect the market to drop today, so I'm going to try and hold it if I can. Ooh, nice, Debbie. That's good though. I'm going to run to the grocery store before it rains like crazy. Aw, cheers, Atlanta. Have fun. Good luck. Is that buy side liquidity? I'm still new. Where? That I marked out here? This here is actually sell side liquidity. About 5. That's not too bad. Doesn't even feel like London session. Nope. This feels what, like Asia? Not even. I don't even know what this feels like. This is diabolical. Hey Lance, what's up? How are we doing? Hi. Take a cabin feel real quick. Opening kitchening internet, but yeah. Yeah, lifestyle. I think that's the difference. It's the same. I can only. What's up, David? What I was saying is I could only handle so much screen time before like I really get a solid headache. And then I need to go outside and just be in the sunshine. What's up, David? How you doing? That's okay. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. If you don't hydrate enough today, I'm going to withdraw my whole account into cash. Climb to the tallest building. Well, that took a dark freaking turn, Atlanta. You good? David loves to make an entrance, yep. Took profit from yesterday at all-time high on my stock profile. Nice, Coach Cardigan. That's good, though. Omega, what's up? That's the pop-up to continue towards the downside. What's the opposite of coiling? Well, I guess I call it seek and destroy, which is sad. Because sad backwards is dust, and dust not good. Oh, that's fun. Seems like consolidation. That's the biggest understatement I've ever heard. This is... yeah, this is fun. Rohan, what's up? Oh, thank you. I hope you also have a great day. We're all just gonna do this one day at a time. I'm getting smoked Friday and yesterday. The pain is real. Is anything capable of being more frustrating? Lance? I want to say no, but yeah. Low-key be a little bit of a lie. Is it because of just the chop, Lance? Is that it? Because that's what's been getting me. This chop. This is brutal. Absolutely brutal. Huh, interesting. Ironically, that would have been the world's quickest little win then. Dom, next impulse shot. What's up, Dom? How are we doing? Clearly, the support zone here is strong. For most of the year so far. If I didn't have my A+ set up, I would not be trading London Open. Yeah, London's been making me real sad recently. Good actual grief. London has been making me real freaking sad. Trying to predict the most unpredictable thing on earth was consistency. Hilarious endeavor. We're all very sick in the head, I think. No. We all have a lot of this.
Emotional damage.
What's up, Eddie? How we doing? How's it going today? Oh my gosh. Okay. This is not a very strong start. We've been here for 22 minutes and nothing has happened. Literally nothing. So I guess we just sit and wait. Who's good at trading chop? I know I'm not good at trading chop, but still. I have to switch back to micro so I'm more consistent. Cut loses better. Lance, I think just, yeah, go back to micros, especially if it's choppy. Is this NQ? Hey, Carl, what's up? Yes, well, this is the micro NQ to be specific. So MNQ is the symbol. Been working on trading Discord for kids. Trading Discord for kids. What? What did I just read? Nope, got annihilated on Chop last week. Yep, okay, cool. Chop is not my friend at all. Like I said, I really actually don't know who... Yeah, that being said, I know that there are some people that really enjoy trading the Chop. I cannot relate. It's too tight to trade on one minute. You need sacred optics to get away with trading tight chops. We go to New York low. Yo, with how much this is consolidating, I'm waiting for this move to be insane. Absolutely insane. That's what I'm waiting for. Eddie, is that actually a thing? Or is that what you're working on? Is that what you're trying to make? I can trade 15-minute chop. I can't trade 1-minute chop. Interesting. Hate chop so much, nothing worse. enter after the 30-minute candle to close in 6 minutes. Long or short, Carl? Andre, easygoing. Oh, so Carl says long in what? You said 6 minutes? Oh, 5 minutes now, right? What's up, Reggie? This is the Nasdaq futures, the micros to be specific. Well, I wouldn't say what we're doing right now trading. We're sitting here watching and waiting for the chop to go away. Coach Carter, are you good at trading chop? Out of curiosity. Well, 4 minutes to go. Let's see if Carl's right. Hey, Samuel, how you doing? Yes, that's why I came in here yesterday asking how would you teach 8-year-olds and if it were a video game. Huh? What made you decide you wanted to do that? Trading into chop mark is like walking on a rope. Unless there's a breakout volume, better stay away from it. Yep. Hey, ready prop from challenge. Well, no, this is my funded account. Well, buy pressure is insanely strong now. Also advise buy. Ah, the support ain't going to hold. Line up your shorts. Okie dokie. So I see we have two different opinions again. I love it. I love it. I look good with the reds. Thank you. Appreciate it. Top like this is harder to trade, and then when it's stuck in a small range and barcoding, yep. I reckon we sweep that current London low, come back up, you got Asian, then continue the 1 hour trend. Okay, wait. Lifeson, you reckon we're gonna sweep the current London low, come back up. You Asia, then continue to the 1 hour trend, going to be a sweep shortly, and 5-minute break is ready for after move. Tension in your glow to reverse. I'll trade chop from range lows for sure. Nice, I'm trying to pass my 150k top step challenge. Nice! And there's a lot of drama currently going on with top step. Hey Lava Turtle, what's up? How we doing? How we doing? Anyone that's just hopped on.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Nice, that's the plan anyways. That's a good plan though. That is definitely a good plan. Okay, 2 minutes to go until the new half night. This is like a freaking quadruple bottom at this point. Oh, that's cool. There's a quote by Einstein that says, if you can't explain it to an 8-year-old, you don't understand it yet. Eddie, that's very cool. Hey, NBA, what's up? Am I trading what? Let's see here. Last minute, 25 seconds to go. We'll see something like yesterday's price action. No, Samuel, don't be like that. Lawrence, no, not really. Do you? Well, especially not down here. Maybe when I'm back up in Joburg, I'll have some more people. trade NYC. Well, I will. You know me. I will be back for New York City, but New York Open. But wow. I mean, tapped into the liquidity. Let's see if we start getting a push here. Oh my gosh. Okay. Mario G says it's going to drop soon. When I'm moving back, July. I speak with a guy in Washington State. He lives in Jersey, so he's so far away. Oh, that sucks though. How did you guys meet? Sorry, I know it's like a random question, but like, yeah. How did you guys even meet? Abso-freaking-lutely not. YouTube, I helped him with streaming for. Oh, that's cool though. Hey Boom, what's up? How you doing? Are you trading this, Boom? He also just kind of like, hell no. And it's going to 27. In? What? What's that? What the heck? Oh! Damn! Boom's in the ring! I use profile, so I'm just saying when I see this, has no momentum even going down, and these buyers get absorbed by passive sellers. I am buying. Inverse value gap. I'm leaning bullish now. Time to retire. Tradeify has been making some strides lately. People seem to like them. Yeah, listen, Tradeify has been... I think, do you know what it is? It's this. It's the Tradeify 3.0 that came out, because it's no longer a monthly subscription situation. It's once-off payment, done and dusted. So yeah, that's what at least I think it is, because it's such a good deal. Well, Boom, were you in a short? It's just depressing. What a check! Am I wearing a NASA shirt? Well, yeah, yeah. Just a shirt. Could you talk a little about Tradeify? Well, sure, what do you want to know? Like I said, they have a new version that's now come out. They call it Tradeify 3.0, where it's no longer you pay a month to month, you pay a once-off fee. Yeah, it's once off. Until the 30th of April, so what's today? Today's the 28th, so you have like 2 more days. Till the 30th of April, there is a 40% discount. Yes, you can buy 5 accounts with this 40% discount. If you get all 5 at the same time, they'll give you an extra 5% discount, so you'll end up getting a 45% discount, which is really, really cool. Anything else you want to know? I'm with Lucid currently. So they're competing with Lucid. I think that's where this Tradeify 3.0 came from. I think that's their plan. Their plan is to be competing with Lucid. I don't know if a lot of you guys know about like Prop Match, for example. So Prop Match apparently like has awards. I didn't know that was a thing, but yeah, Prop Match does like awards based off of traders voting on their prop firms. And Tradeify, I think, got 3 awards from them. whereas all the others kind of got 1, maybe 2 each. So Tradeify, I think, actually got the most awards from it. Like, I think it was the most user-friendly. I don't know if it was the most payouts. I'm gonna have to double check that one. I don't want to lie to you guys. I just thought that was super, super interesting. It's still my birthday month, just so we're all clear. My bad. Oh, Atlanta, what did you do this weekend? Were you out partying again? Right now, I need a new voucher. I try to find. Oh, thanks, Lance. Mad love, I appreciate it. Cool shirt. I like anything related to aviation. Oh, that's cool. Hi, real time. Yes, real time. What's up? Yes, pretty heavily. I used to a couple of days to Atlanta, I don't know if I should be concerned about you. Maybe I need to start looking at you and saying water. Have you been drinking enough water? Maybe you need more water. Just saying. Let's see if we continue getting the respect, Mike. Probably doesn't help to know that I'm getting my pilot's license. What? That's cool. What is water? I know tequila. What is this magical stuff that's apparently supposed to hydrate you? Who knew, right? Who knew? Tequila. Sorry, that song's not gonna be stuck in my head. Yeah, I'll probably single-handedly provide you with it. So. I doubt a lot, but I appreciate that. You're awesome. Water, huh? Gatorade. Tequila. How does the rest of it go? Like, I keep wanting to do like the duck song. But I know that's not the tequila one. What's the tequila one? That's gonna bug me. Hey, Hurix, what's up? The magical stuff is tea. Water is just an ingredient. Oh, I forgot about you and your tea. I forgot about you and your tea. That's amazing. What's up, Abito? How you doing? And chat, of course, Hurix. I gotta go. Happy training. I hope you learn some good setups. Oh, cheers, Samuel. Thanks. Well, let's see, I guess. Right? Oh, hey, Seth. What's up? Sethish. Or was it Satish? I feel like it's Satish. Yep, sorry, I feel like I butchered your name. I apologize about that. Okay, 3:38. We've been here for 38 minutes. And absolutely nothing has happened. Wow. Just wow. Still struggling to break out of the first 5-minute candle. Yep. We are just, I don't think I've ever seen it range this badly. Hello. Are you good? What happened? Okay. I don't think I've ever seen it range this badly before. This is actually insane.
That's what she said.
Price reductions in 3 times and would probably go up. Uh, 5-minute break of structure on MES. Okay, let's see. Blue line, good. Entry all a little bit above. Usually up early New York session and slowly give it back to shop. Yeah. This PRX me. It's a stairway to the downside. Is it? I guess I am a little bit zoomed in. I guess zoomed out it looks more like a stairway to the downside. If the price breaks up, then it's gonna burst probably, right? I think that's the thing. When it breaks out of this, it's gonna go. But it needs to freaking break out of it first. Which it's just not doing. No, it is. But if you look at the even bigger picture, right, if you really had to zoom out, it's still low-key stuck in this range. So the question is this just a little bit of a retest? Just stuck in a bit of a range for a retest? And then we're going to potentially keep going back up? Institutions usually step in between 345 and 405. Okay, let's see. Let's see, Coach Carter, then we have a little bit more time. Little bit, not a lot, but a little bit. Okay, we had that rejection. Okay, ES looks like it started to push up. ES broke. Finally, let's see if NQ follows. Okay, so far nothing. I mean, it closed above now. The body of the candle officially closed above, so that's looking a little bit more promising. Also advice, bigger pictures important instead of the current. Worst case scenario could come back down for that liquidity. If I remember my early trading days, it looks like a range expansion. Without volume behind the buyers, the floor could drop out from under. Oh, that's interesting. Shaggy, okay. That's very interesting. I've left my NQ trade on a even a TP set that I'm trading gold today. Oh, nice. Okay, there we go, Debbie. So that's something, right? So Debbie, you're still looking for the shorts. Sorry, all the hiccups. Still waiting. Doesn't want to get past that area. It doesn't want to get past the area of resistance or support. It's just Like I said, it did break above on a year, so that's something at least. Oh, just noticed oil climbing and I'm still in the short from earlier. It's a risk-free trade now, so I'll leave it to play out. Nice. Hey Robert, yeah, I trade MNQ to be specific. If it creates a large wick to the downside, it'll burst to the upside. Nothing yet. Oh, it's risky trading that, well, unless you have a strategy that works for this, I would say it's quite risky trading this right now. Lance! Oh, flip, I love it. And vice versa, of course. Hey, Mike the Goat, what's up? How's it going? Always wait for confirmation. True. Oh, Robert, literally, I'm waiting for this to stop being sideways. Sparks are like, no. Ah, I'm just sitting here watching this going, seriously. Why? Mike, I'm okay. I'm a little bit sad with this price action right now. I don't even know if sad describes it, but we are here. Wait, it looks like we're having a little bit more movement. Maybe not. Okay. 80-point drop here. Oh, thanks, Sparks for Life. I appreciate that. Like the way likes that. It's good. 15 likes, only 6 more likes. Things are kind of slow for my dip buy lately. Things are just kind of slow. Mike? Guess we still need to push up. Mike, that's all I can say right now, is that things are just kind of slow. I would guess we still need to push up. Oh, so you still think we're going to push a little bit higher and then continue back down? So your bias is the shorts? London really doesn't want to give us setup. Yep. I mean, I guess we gotta be patient, right? How long did this... This took nearly an hour. Oh my gosh. This took nearly an hour. So, I guess. Though, to be fair, we are nearly on an hour. So it looks like it's consolidating for an hour, except this one was different. This one was slowly coiling, getting smaller and smaller. This one's slowly getting larger and larger. So different types of formations that formed there. Open the 1 hour? I can. What the 1 hour looks like. It is in some definite support over here. I just need to buy for the breakout long. Buy a short, volume low. At the moment we need to get back upwards to get liquidity for a short. I'm just going at this because it's making me sad. Give me a second. I will be right back. What's up? Oh, well, move without me. I wouldn't quite call that moving without me. Hello. I was looking good on the 1 hour. Mario G, man. Oh, man. Well, I wouldn't quite call that going just yet. Maybe just now we'll consider it as moving, but right now, not yet. Do you know what I actually low-key feel like I need? I feel like I need a blanket, because I'm a big baby. Like, I'm cold. It stopped. Yeah, no, it waited for me. It was nice, which is weird. It's normally not nice. Hi. 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 Harry's here to say hi. What's up? Here we go. B. This dog. Do you have a cat? Do you think he looks like a cat? That's not a cat. A Maya burrito. You know, I low-key wanna. Hello! What's wrong? Okay. My dog is judging me. I don't know what I did. I don't know what I did. You know what? Screw it. I'm getting a blankie. Because I'm a baby. Let me go get my blankie. I don't know why I'm so cold today, but we're going. That's it. Okay. Anyways. Good. We got a blankie going. Let's do this. My god, it's freezing in Cape Town. Really? Isn't Cape Town always cold though? Like I said, I've never gone to Cape Town. I've just heard it's windy and cold and it rains a lot. Did I low-key nail it? Do you want the blanket? Is that what this is? He wants to steal my blanket. Rude. Is that literally it? I can share the blanket, I guess. I don't know how. I'll figure this out. I can share the blanket with you. Yeah, lie on it. Yeah, lie on the blanket there. I bet Maya never had a normal 9 to 5 in her life. Not a normal 9 to 5. No, I wouldn't call it normal. I've had like where I had to work at like 3 AM in the morning. You did. You wanted to share the blanket. Okay, cool. He's now lying on the blanket. Probably. Anyways, gotta share with your with your dog, I guess. I've had weird hours. I mean, I used to work in a gym. It's weird hours. It's not 9 to 5, and it's definitely not sitting behind screens. If that kind of answers that green globe. I'm not sure if it does. Hey, Rian, what's up? How you doing? And Gok, hi. How are we? How are we? Yeah, green globe. I've had jobs since I was 16 years old. Oh, nice, Leon. How's the trading been going? Are you completely bored with what's happening today? Because same. Even yesterday sucked. I'm very curious to see what tomorrow brings, though. Don't know about you guys, but I think tomorrow and Thursday are going to be wild. Not trading today, sitting on hands. Smart. Smart. As you can see, I haven't taken a trade either. Hey, Kyle, what's up? What else do you do besides trading? Well, I went and I rode my horses but my horses now moved up before me. So now it's just a lot of, you know, packing and things. Getting life sorted and organized. It's not so easy. Support is not trading if you breaking. If you trade that low, you got 5 winning trades. Carl, it depends on what your RR is and how big you made your stop loss. Tomorrow gonna be nice and volatile, just the way I like it. I'm good. I'm moving to Joburg. I am, Kyle. I am moving to Joburg. Well, moving back to Joburg. Wow. Just wow. Why shame, Kyle? No, why not? Hey, to be fair, guys, it's not gonna look good. When I go up to Joburg, I'm gonna be wearing like 20,000 layers. Shall I tell you what the temperature is outside right now? And I'm cold. Like I have a blanket on. I wouldn't mind getting a jersey. Maybe I'm sick. Let's see what the temperature is. Let's check the temperature. Temperature is, let's see, current temperature. It's embarrassing. It's 20 degrees Celsius. I'm cold. At 20 degrees Celsius. In Berlin, we had negative 10 degrees in winter. South Africa is hot compared to that. I know, Robert. I'm gonna and I'm cold right now. I don't know if I'd ever be able to go and live somewhere where it's snowing and goes to negative, because wow. Market wants to go up, but sellers are super heavy, so I mean, once it goes, it's gonna be massive. Just how you see it. Wow, by the I know. So maybe I am sick. Maybe I'm dying. Maybe that's why I'm feeling the cold a little bit extra. Sure. Even my friend the other day, they were walking around in like a strappy shirt. I was there with like a jersey on. I was like, a little chilly. And they looked at me and they were like, what do you mean? It's cold. They're like, no. Yeah, I'm gonna die. Gonna die of hypothermia in 20 degrees. 13 degrees in Cape Town right now. You're not allowed to complain. Yeah. Joburg versus the South Coast. Yep, it's a little fresh to say. I'm on my grand's bird bath in Joburg. Freezes over. Yep. My horse's water used to freeze over up in Joburg. You don't look like dying. Better hope. Better hope for a last good trade then, Robert. I love it. Well, at this point, I don't think it's gonna happen today. Are you anemic? Oh, I forgot. Oh, I'm supposed to be taking iron supplements. I keep forgetting to take them. Maybe I should go take one. That's a good idea. 41 degree here in India. But sorry, the 41 degrees got me. I cannot. Like I said, I prefer being cold than being too hot. I know that's weird to say, but I prefer being too cold than being too hot, because with the cold you can do something. You can put more layers on. There's something you can do. Too hot, nothing you can do. Sorry, let me go get. Let's see if this breaks before. I was gonna say, let me go get my iron tablet before I forget, because I have been forgetting, so that's probably why. Counseling? This female iron counseling. What do you mean, Amanda? 41 degrees, still too cold for Maya. It's rude. Oh. TSC profit. I don't like this PA. So is it? Is it a thing? I have no idea. Did we just not eat it? Who knows? So we rely on you for sanity. So go drink some H2 and take your iron. Wow, you rely on me, the insane, to keep you sane. Are you guys okay? Are you guys good? Yeah, we finally got some movement, sure. For now, let's see how it reacts, but we finally broke through that floor. Yeah. I'm speaking too soon. The body has not closed yet. 10 seconds to go. Just I was gonna go and get my supplement, and now decided to do things. Zing. If it's too hot, drink hot tea. I've heard someone say that before and it confused me. Why? Okay, we broke below. Okay, let me go get the tablet before I finish. You can stay, you can stay. Okay. Okay, Harry. Pulls your body down. He is always the answer. Sorry. My bad. Which one will make you feel cooler? So then should I not be drinking super cold water in the cold? Mm-hmm. Did anyone actually line up their shorts? I don't know if they did. Bro, I went to shower. What's up, boom? It didn't fool me. No! Are you serious? It didn't fool you? Where was your order? Took a stab out of that one. Oh my gosh, boom.
Emotional damage.
What the heck? How's it my fault? Hey, Doherty, FX Trading, what's up? Doherty. Interesting name. I'm gonna get my round of applause for finally hydrating. You be quiet. Hey, you be quiet. Okay, New York low taken. Let's see if we stay out of this range and get the continuation down. So that's liquidity if it holds it up there. Candle rainfall, bullish momentum. Shall join me tomorrow? I'm good, Dawdy. How are you doing? Alright, could be bearish. Continuation indeed. We'd like to see it. Let's see. Some more, a little bit more buy side, sell side liquidity over here. Ooh, let's see what we get. Sorry, I'm so far away because Perry's now sleeping there. Oh, thanks, Autotech. How you doing? Okay, now we're finally getting something. Kind of. Well, finally getting something. So let's continue this. Just took out that liquidity though, so this could jump higher. Then I'd want to see it. Oh no, this is not an A+ setup at all. Okay. Okay then. I guess we do just keep on keeping on at this point. Let's see what we get. Hey Arthur, what's up? How you doing? Happy trading, happy trading. Well, sure, let's call this happy trading. I just call this sit. Oh my gosh, it's moving. That's it. That's all we can call this right now. It's insane. .5 in the bearish value gap though, retest, yeah. Watch them do their thing. News coming through. ECB rate hike news. Ah, thanks, Shaki. Okay. Mario G-Man says it's still gonna be dropping. Well, we are still here, aren't we? Gotta keep on pushing on. TMP just about to hit both TP2. That was the most American you've ever sounded. What did I say? Because it is. It's sit. Oh my gosh, here we go. And now sit. Well, how's this look on the 5-minute? I mean, it's not the worst trade. Like, yeah, not the worst trade. Target previous new session. A little more consolidation here is to be expected, but I guess the question is it going to spike that high up, or is this going to quote-unquote protect it? What time is it? Let's also keep a lookout for the time. Take the sell risk it for the biscuit. What's up, Bamsy? How are we doing? Gonna have a look on the 1 minute. Oopsies. The only downside is all of those. This could spike up a little bit higher than I would want to see it spike. MR market Jackie needs 50 points lower. 50 points! Sure, you're asking a lot from this market today, hey? How big is this? $24. Mother fluffer? Well, let's see. I'm gonna take it. I don't know if it's gonna be tagged in though, but on the 5 minute it looks really good. It really looks nice on the 5 minute. Check entrance right in the middle of, I guess entry a little bit lower in the order block would have been better. Let's see. It's there. If you don't ask, the question is no. I'm gonna make this slightly... I'll just give it a better chance of tagging in. Okay, let's see if it does consolidate and mess around a little bit there. But hands off now. Cheers, Atlanta. Where are you going? Okay, let's see if we get a little bit of a spike back up. Oh, sorry, Robert, I didn't see that you asked if I'm in now. I'm not in now, but I have set a trade. Let's see, this could spike a little bit higher than I would like to see it go. It's a little bit risky, it's why I'm only putting one contract in though at this point. Let's go for it. See here. Done and done. Well, I don't love the wicks, but you consider higher time frame structure. Yep. Hey, Mool, how you doing? Yeah, my entry's at 322, Robert, so you're around there. Well, that's my entry. My entry's at 322, stop is at 35, and TP is at 297. Be mindful, market once uptrend and sellers holding onto their own. Very risky, but doable, so pick your position wisely. That's exactly it. Wow, over an hour for that farty little move. I'm so glad I left in queue earlier. Oh man. JB, that's hilarious, but it's accurate. This is, I guess there's no better description of today's movement than meh. If anyone asks how today looks, it's just meh. This ES? Nah, this is MNQ. Bang. What's up? How we doing? Oh, that was a very big spike. Uh-oh. Oh well, I'm in. Let's see what happens. Retrace the 50 on ES and MNQ, so let's see if it's just going back into the range where it would screw me, or if we're gonna get a continuation back down. Anyways, how y'all doing? Oh, it had a huge rejection off of this volume imbalance here. Yep. See if it responds to this volume imbalance there then. Interesting. Oh, I didn't know this was risky. Damn. Oh well. Oh well. I did know it was a little bit risky, but it was still A+. A+ and choppy is not ideal, but can't say I didn't try it. No. Alright, G-Man, it's fine. It did not respect the bearish fair value gap. No, it did not. At all, Mike. Yeah, that's fine. I did say going into it that meh, meh, meh. So am I phased by it? Not even a little bit. We just move on to the next. Oh dear. Respond later. Have you ever considered taking partials? Oh, Coach Carter for crying out loud. Don't worry. I got in bullish at 27183. Nice. Hey Giza, how you doing? Have you ever considered taking partials? Oh, I do take partials. Well, I used to take a lot of partials. Debbie, you know the drill. Oh, I know the drill. My bad, my bad. Debbie's here for one reason and one reason only. The stop loss sound. What did I wanted to update the balance. Down like, what, $25 here? 773.60. Nice. That's gonna run for that leg up now. Coach Carter from Takeover. Oh, guys, I didn't know that this was a risky one. I even said it. I said it just took out some, well, the New York low. It's a little bit more liquidity down here. I was maybe hoping it would just spike one last time before getting that retracement. So I did know it was risky. It happens. We now moved on. We now move on to the next. Hey, OTT, what's up? How are we doing? Liquidity Provider is an incredible YouTube name. OTT, how goes it? How goes it?
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Are we all good? So retested back into there. Let's see what we get now. macros don't hurt. It's more like a pinch in my opinion. Minis on the other hand feels a bit more like a spinal tap. Done. You trade gold, you can catch. Oh, I don't know gold well enough to be fair. Hey, Yusuf, what's up? Back into the 5-minute candle zone. Damn, the jump up put me from 6R up to 2R. I'll give it a chance. This price action doesn't deserve our money, in my opinion. Does everyone in here trade a version of ICT SMC concepts? No. No, Giza, not really. Boom says wait. What are we waiting for? Oh, you missed. You missed. How do you keep missing these? Where do you go? Why do you lose when I leave? Then maybe you should just stay here, Boom. Honestly. Yeah, stop leaving then. Honestly. Must I play with my cat Bibbo? I use a GAN box. Mateus? My cat demands attention. Oh, that's fair. This actually looks like 1 minute AMD. It kinda, I guess, accumulation, manipulation, distribution back up. OTT, probably. I'm just here witnessing all of it. You say it's gonna drop? Why didn't it drop when I was in? Like, rude. Why couldn't it have dropped then? Whenever I walk away from trading, trends run wild, then I return and chop takes over. Let the guy pee if he needs to. Oh my gosh, wait. Oh my gosh.
That's what she said.
Because Boom didn't say it till not, maybe not bad, ready for a new day. Yesterday was a bit too hectic. Lance, don't worry, I've noticed the same thing. It's called, Debbie actually literally uses it, called the Maya effect, when it feels like the charts only start moving when I leave. It's rude. The audacity. How much to donate for you to full port? Good grief, why do you want me to full port so bad, Boom? Lance looks a bit heavy. Full port sells. No ways, LP. We need like $300. I placed a buy limit at 50% of the latest bull move. Oh, okay. Buy limit 50% of the latest bull move. So, Coach Carter, did you use the full range? So is it like this? Is that what you have here? Look at the camera made me spit my water. Reed, what's up? What are the setups that I trade the most? I have my little hybrid. It's like a my gab box. It's a mix between market auction theory, ICT, and SMC. Now trust FOMC full ports. Oh, good grief. Why doesn't my spine in the elo? I'm on it, Boom. What's up, Ram Ram? Let's see what happens at the bullish Fair Value Gap retest. Boom, pretty crazy. Because I'm stubborn, not crazy. There's a difference. I'm a real stubborn individual. Back into this damn chop. Okay. Projection block's gotta be in the right condition to work. If not, probably lose the trade, but I'm expecting a low win rate because RR is so high. Can you talk about individual stocks or only futures on this platform? Arthur, you can talk about whatever you want. Yeah. I might not be very knowledgeable in the others though, but I can guarantee there's more people on here that know exactly what you're talking about. What's up? What are you barking at? What's up? Oh. Not scary enough for you to get up, but anyways. How many chicken nuggets can you eat? Oh, what a weird question. I mean, chicken nuggets are amazing, so a lot. Price just missed my entry. That's rough. I mean, it could still come back down. Nope, maybe not. Kids has been squeezed. I might bounce again. What is exactly kids? Like, does it stand for something? Now, if this made a new lower high respect to the previous high and breaking this low, it's gonna drop. Dog telling you not to enter yet. Choppy, choppy, yep. A little bit. I'm trying another buy. I've got way too many ways to enter a trade now. It's actually not okay. Is that a good or bad thing though? You swing trade or day? I'm a day trader. Agile. It's still moving. The markets have been open. Just came back to make sure he wasn't trading with fake breakdown. Ah, I did. Ralph, I did. It's okay though. We do indeed move on to the next. Oh, do you know what I forgot to do? And it's them the rules. And them's the rules. I had a trade. Now we have to do butterfly of the day. Except it looks like it's finally might be able to stop moving. Why we had a plan? You had a plan. My plan was to take my setup. No, I can't have a freaking brown. That's also brown. I'm gonna be cheeky today. Okay. We have our butterfly of the day. Wait, let me pick. How are you gonna pick? Okay, how are you? Okay, Boom. I'm gonna let Boom pick. How do you plan on picking? Lifestyle Nelson. I did. You can ask Debbie. You can ask Debbie. I did play it. Because Debbie specifically made me play it. Page 74. I mean, it's similar to the one yesterday, but it's still cool. It's called a big eye brown. So Boom now officially picked butterfly of the day. Page 74. Which is, let me type this in. You guys watch the charts. This is not what it looks like in the book. Let me try and see. Why does the book look so different? I'm getting this. Oh, I see we are actually moving now. Cool, cool. Ah, she did leave without you, Coach Carter, which is rude. Okay. Nope, that did not work. Anyways. Let me show you. Here we go, boom. So this is the butterfly it's showing me. Not bad, not bad. However, it does not look like that in the book. At all. It's like orange with like two things on the wings. So I don't know what's right and what's wrong right now. But anyways, I guess this is what Google's giving us. That's a moth. That's not even a butterfly. Anyways. I mean, that's really cool. That's not the butterfly though. Butterfly actually looks like that. I don't know if you can see it, like orange. It's this top one. There you go. Orange over here with the little things. Anyways, so I mean, this is a pretty butterfly to look at. The book is more factual. There we go. Yeah. Anyway, so yeah, that's actually what it looks like, the butterfly. But we'll look at the fake one. So the real one has a wingspan of 38 to 45 millimeters. Let's see if it says anything about how it flies. No. Distribution: savanna and grasslands in Limpopo Province, Streitpoortberg, Ulfberg, and Waterberg, all in the west. Oh, so this thing's pretty rare, no wonder. Habitat is hillsides and rocky ledges. Flight period is double brooded October, December, and Jan-April. There we go. There's our butterfly of the day. Not that one, but we got a butterfly of the day. Oh well. Back we go to the charts. Are you satisfied, Boom? You can't say I didn't listen to you. You picked that one. I picked the best one. Okay. Damn, MD working out. Yep. Little bit, hey. Oh well. I check this as each one. I tried to bet the candles will make an outline. I'm picking the other. What? Oh, wait, you got something. Okay, for real. Tomorrow, cool. Hey, Mazimoto, what's up? How we doing? How we doing? Yeah. The AMD really did work out well. Now we just kind of hands off. Took some ES longs, but I'll get 2R, taking it 1 and done. I mean, that's not a bad idea, Neil, especially with today. Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're good, we're good. Done. Hiccups are done. 4:35. We're getting there. Kind of. At least we getting something. Not a lot, but something. Still going. Okay, I think the buys are still going to be pushing a little bit more. Hey Adam, what's up? My yesterday was so stressful. I took that break-even trade. I was like he told another one, but that might have been the best trade in my whole career trading. Wait, why? What happened? OTT, tell me. I think I wanted to show you the volume of it. I can't remember the others. Why was that the best trade you've ever taken though, OTT? What made it the best ever? Nah, still doing this. My low-key bottom ticker was sensational. Damn. Oh my gosh, do you know what I've been forgetting to do? To anyone that's in the green, that's taken some green trades, that's pulled this beautifully, you guys deserve a very big whoop whoop. Well done. Seriously, well done. Inverted hand and shoulder after the consolidation and breakout. What about the people in the red? People in the red get this. Because I mean, that's what I'm in right now. I'm in the red as well, so it's fine. We just continue. Boop, they get weep. I respect the second bit of value gap 5 and break. Another strong leg up for me. This is out of my people. Here we go. Oh, rough. That's still not respecting the 50%. Of the whole move. We're in the red together, my yes! What? Are you serious? Boom's in the red? No ways! This doesn't happen often. Nice. Tomorrow we eat the markets. Yes. I love it. Boom. Tomorrow's the day. We've got this. We're gonna... yeah, we've got this. Let's do a 24-hour stream. Are you crazy? Are you crazy? Another 24-hour stream? Hell no. Asia to New York. I've been there, done that before. It's rough. You know it's rough, Boom. You witnessed it. You were there judging me saying, why are you still awake? Or did you forget that? $4.39. Good grief. Let's do it, Maya. It'll be fun. Are you gonna stay awake for the full 24 hours as well? Me. Like I would consider a 12-hour one. Right? I would consider a 12-hour one. So I got you. We're gonna look like this by the end of it. Chat, we'll get the pleasure of seeing Maya get bullied by Boom for 24 hours. Yeah, but I don't understand why everyone wants to bully me. You guys are so mean. Huh. 24-hour torture. Well, I'm here now, so wrong time to talk about bullying. Oh, damn it. Damn, Mikuave's here. Oh no. Damn, Boom, you're in a real good mood for someone who's in the red, because you're like never in the red, so for you to be in the red is like, whoa. Insane. Do you know what else is insane? This price action currently is absolutely insane. Still just waiting. And waiting. And waiting. It's only 54 true. Question, what's the price action like? So much fun. So much fun, Miguave. If you're considering turning on your PC because you're missing out, don't bother. Go back to sleep. I won't be in the red after New York. Then I blow. I can't. Cheers, Coach Carter. Enjoy. Abdul, I need coffee. I do need coffee, guys. I would love to have coffee right now. I don't have coffee at home. I've been having tea. It's a rough time. Hey, old man, what's up? What happens to the best first except you'll move on to the next trade unless you blow all your accounts and can't trade. Yeah, that would suck. Here we go, get website girl. It's gonna be amazing. For me, it's supposed the girl. That got me. You go, girl. Was that the vibe you're going for? OTT? Hi, Debbie. Wi-Fi said bye. What do you mean? Is my Wi-Fi being bad? My Wi-Fi was being good. Watching overnight price action to see what tomorrow brings in the States. I was about to say, like, Mikuave, I don't know what you mean. For once, mine is being good. Just saying. Okay. Back into this range. This is fun, right? This is so much fun. Anyways. What's my overall drawdown limit? 4832 something, if I'm not mistaken. Been down sideways for 3 days. S&P and Nasdaq. I've had new all-time highs. Hold them. I mean, I wouldn't quite say yesterday was amazing though. Yesterday was very meh. Make websites, do they host something? Debbie, well, now I don't know. I was gonna say I think he was just supporting you, saying go get a website, girl. I don't think there's something out there called website girl. I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong, OGT. Maybe I'm wrong. I could be very wrong. $46. One leg up here we come. Oh, I'm off the charts. Micah. Okay, there we go. Okay, I thought so, OTT. Wait, what? There's something called GoDaddy though. You joking? What's up, Boom? How can I help? I'm gonna get some shout out for the New York session. Have a great one, stay profitable, guys. Aww. Cheers, Mario G. Enjoy. Do I have a Steam account? I do not. I need to get one. Why? GoDaddy is a web host. Huh. Well, apparently you can put it on GoDaddy. I feel like she now has to call it girl with a lot of L's. Game on should play. What's it called? Hey, brutal trader, nasty PA. That's an understatement right now. That's why we are low-key having some chit chat, I guess, because this sucks. Able to catch 75 points on my. That's not 75 points isn't bad, especially in this right now. Because this really is brutal. Like, this is bad. Well. We just continue. Guys. Yeah, is anyone in an actual trade right now? No, I make multiple entries in a day. Oh, me. Oh, sorry. What did I do this past weekend? That's a good question. I had to sort out my car. So that was a mission and a half. Sort out my car, sort out everything. That was basically all of Saturday. Sunday, I just went for lunch and that was it. Just charting the NQ so long. Nice. I'm in E as long as that might get hit at break even. Okay. Help me understand trading despite the fact that you look like a secondary schoolgirl. Huh. Anyways, sorting in the Nasdaq. Me, but in the stock market. Nice! BGICC. What are you in? Hey Dan, how you doing? How's it going? How's it going? Oh, guys, this is rough. I'm still waiting for Boom's game recommendations. Same? Me and you both. Boom, we are awaiting you. Got some vertical for Thursday, and I'm going to follow through to retest low. Nice! Sharpening stone. Why the heck am I trading NQ now? Because London, well, not today, but London sometimes gives us some decent moves. Hey Omega, what am I trading? Well, nothing right now, to be fair. Just sitting here watching it, contemplating my life. Anybody like Biltong? Heck yeah, Biltong's amazing. Biltong is life. Green Globe, Biltong is delicious. OTT. That was savage.
Emotional damage.
Wow. OTT came in hot for that one. Good grief. OTT, are you good? I've never seen you be so savage before. That was insane. Oh my gosh. Yeah, no, this is agony right now. This is what agony is made out of. What is Biltong? Oh, Biltong is delicious. How do you explain Biltong? Is that why she... Maybe it's a raw meat. Yeah, here we go, Deb. So this is what Biltong is. There's a whole process to it, but it's not... It's like air-dried meat, I guess. Salted and air-dried is low-key what I guess you could call... Thanks for that, Green Globes. I am definitely now craving Biltong. Let's see, a traditional South African air-dried cured meat snack. There we go. That is what Biltong is. It is amazing. You don't really get it other places, which is really sad. Here comes the neckline. I consider longs at this point on Nasdaq, but you trade on the 1 minute. I mean, I would have been looking for a long at the 0.5. What's that? So enter it around 331. Hey, sharpening stone. Yes and no. I'm just low-key waiting for this to start moving in any direction. Like, no. Thanks, Neil. So it's not just me. I'm now like trying to plan. I'm like, sure, can I go to the shops and get myself some Biltong quickly? I wonder if I can just like get some Biltong delivered. What's up, Wanda? How are we doing? I'll stick with the sardines. Sardines? Why? Hi, hey Vixnix, how are we doing? How's it going? You trade for yeah, actually, well, trade a GAN box. But I guess it's low-key kind of like a fib. Sharpening stone, what about you? is biltong beef. You can get different types of biltong, but yeah, you get beef biltong. You can get like game biltong, but yeah. Session is biltong. Yep, apparently. Today we're going... Today the topic of conversation, seeming as the chart is going nowhere, is biltong. Which is fine. Kirby? How can you say garbage? Biltong is like beef jerky, I guess. Isn't it less chewy? Not really, like I've ever had beef jerky. My game, I love that. Price action equals a garbage. 100%. Can you make biltong though? It's pretty easy. Yes and no. I do think you need to have like a specialized thing that helps dry it out. I know my dad actually bought one once for fun, but you can make it. Oh, thank you! Izzy Trades, how you doing? Earnings after New York close for a lot of big US tech companies today. Now beef jerky is closer to Drobos. Ah, there we go. The funniest thing. OTT. Sorry, you have your work cut out for you today, apparently. Sure? Poor OTT. You're here just watching this going, what is happening? Why? You good? Bye. Where is everything else? Like, where's VWAP? VWAP's up there. Midnight Magnet's up there. Wouldn't be surprised if it goes back up there, but oh. Have you ever had Buria? What is I don't know what that is. What's up, Hammer? How are we doing? Came just in time for the biltong discussion. Hey, Rashawn. Hot granny. Wow.
Emotional damage.
That's not when you know the earth is okay. Avix used the IV strap dope. Y'all know that was rough. I see a retest into your red box. Are you going too long there? That was what I was low-key thinking. I was thinking of it retesting back into here and then longing off of it. But, you know, do I make the same mistake twice of it being stuck in this range? Maybe it just didn't come and retest far enough down. This might start popping back up now. I'm fine. Thanks for asking. You know, now that you went and called me granny. Rude. Hey, Jean-Pierre, how you doing? Mexican lamb dish, sort of like biltong, but it's served with a broth. That sounds really cool though, old lamb, but no, I've never even heard of that. That's super interesting. Ah, shoot. Yeah, I didn't come retest far enough back down. As I say that, I see we start getting volume. Oh, it's the 5 AM open candle. You know I'm joking. No, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. No, I'm kidding. I know you're joking. Man, I miss futures trading, to be honest. What do you trade now, sharpening stone? Get ready for a short above that level. Do you think it's gonna break above and then short back down? Come to California, Mexican food here is the best. I trade crypto and options. Okay, so why not futures anymore? Out of curiosity, if you don't mind me asking. Stop. It's been a while since I checked. Is California going to break off from the rest of the United States within the next 2 days? When are you in Joburg now? When's the move? Only in July, Hammer. I'm in the trade nat, didn't come back and fill me in. Trade addict. Can't wait for you to suffer a real winter this year again. I am cold already and it's 20 degrees outside, but because it's a little bit windy and like I have a blanket on and I have a long sleeve on and I'm cold and it's 20 degrees outside, I'm going to suffer so much. Man, I wish I would have seen it. Wouldn't Mexico do the best Mexican? I mean, you have a point. Is there only me who can't hear her? Can you not hear me, Obito? I'm sorry. Let's set up the solid to the... Give me a second. I do have heating. I get outside being cold, but surely the mud hut has heat. Rude. Rude. Clearly the mud hut has heating. Just wow. Well, American is a bit Mexican population. The food is just overcoming it in Mexico. Same ingredients, if not better. It's back in this range, guys. Now, I don't know if longs would be the best play here. How's the car doing? Oh, it's good. You know, it has all 4 wheels back on, so that's what counts. Have a functioning car, right? Sharpening, coming in hot, yeah. But for me, that's the problem. It's just not moving. Whoop whoop, 2 wheels. I'm gonna have some tea, only gonna trade tomorrow. Hammer, not a bad idea. What side? Oh, we are on the right-hand side in South Africa. I believe it slams into that red zone and reverses. Damn, bearish for value gap. Is Maya a teacher? Nope. In the future, I plan to buy a house in Mexico. Food is delicious and people don't like to bother unless you do something. Peace and tasty food. Ooh, overdose indeed. You are now talking. You are now talking. That would be amazing. Oh, gotta wait for a combination. Combinations are confirmations. Man. Anyways, moving on. Okay, let's see how it reacts here. This looks like it is starting to dip though. Yeah. This is a B setup. That's about it. To get profitable every day is not a trading day. I agree. Your teacher was from Cape Town? Really? That is really cool. Did you do like online teaching stuff though, or meh? See, so there would have been an entry, but a high-low was created there. Yeah. These lines here, this is the range, this is the 50% of the range, this is 30% of the 50%, and this is obviously 2R above. That's basically it, Atlanta. Today's my relaxation day. Relaxation day. Ooh, English, lost it. Ooh, overdose indeed. That's cool though. Is everyone low-key waiting for FOMC tomorrow? Actually, just all the news that's happening tomorrow and Thursday. It's going to be wild. It's going to be very entertaining. Let's see, I didn't take this one because it's back in the range. So watch it work out. Because I didn't take this trade, watch this trade be a banger. What did I say? Watch this work out. My game probably gonna be a banger. No, 100%. My game, because I did not take this, this is going to work out. Freaking chef's kiss. Here we go. Blanket's still here, Atlanta. Yeah, let's hope it's not a wiki day tomorrow. Oh.
Emotional damage.
That is just what the charts are causing me. All the emotional damage, seriously? What did I say? Because I didn't take this. It's gonna be a banger. What's my dog's name? Perry. Dog's name is Perry. Let's watch this play out. Let's see if it goes all the way to TP or not. That was a really good push already, basically at 1-1. Just shy of 1-1, so I don't know. Maybe I would have mitigated risk there. The coaster, what's up? Hey Louie, what's up? Missed you this morning. Did you sleep in? Louis, you missed the whole conversation about Biltong. Okay. Won't be training on these conversations over it. Why not? Fuck one of my dream. Oh wow, Louis, that's terrible. I'm still just... Yeah, I'm gonna be watching this. It's hanging on my entry level. No ways. I'm calling a win in the world. Well, I'm bummed about this, but anyways. Whatever. Well, let's see how it reacts here. Is it going to create another higher low and we're going to continue going back down? Or are we going to break above now? Back into that 5-minute zone. Honestly, Mike? Been watching this thing for like 2.5 hours and it's like it's done stuff, but has it really? Hey Miguel, what's up? I see AMD there, yep. Something about Biltong. Biltong. Go Biltong. You want to be a South African? You're gonna need Biltong. Traditional South African air-dried cured meat snack. Biltong, baby. It is delicious. Thanks to you guys, now I'm craving Biltong like it's nobody's business. So that's fun for me. Anyways, back to the charts. Oh, Louis, you did miss Butterfly of the Day. I'm so sorry. I thought I heard someone calling. Okay, I'm not going crazy. There's Perry. Biltong. Guys, I'm having such a flipping giggle. Jade, I don't know if you're still watching, but shout out to Jade. Oh, flip. My best friend watched and sent me things. I'm assuming there's gonna be some Biltong in here. Let's see. My friend went and ordered me deliveries. for Perry. Perry, look. My friend got Perry some sweeties. And let's see what the next thing is. Let's see, Periwinkle got sweeties. Beef snapstick Biltong. That is absolutely amazing. Okay, they didn't really have to do like 2 huge bags for that, but anyway. That's who was there. It was the delivery driver being like, hello, is someone here? Anyways, that was a fun little surprise. I now got Biltong. I'm now happy. I am now a happy freaking chappy. Shout out, you know what? Let me send her a message. Oh my gosh. You're making me hungry now. I'm so sorry. Whoop whoop, Maya's friend. No, honestly, I agree actually. Where's the whoop whoop? Harry! 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 There we go. Because this low-key looks like Biltong. This is not Biltong. But look! He's so excited! What do you think? Okay, he approves. He approves. I know for a fact that he's gonna try and steal mine when I open mine. Can tell you that one for a fact. Okay, so I see more high and lows being made. Oh, flip. There we go. This is Biltong made from select cuts of beef with our own traditional spice recipe. This is mine. This is for me. Oh my gosh. I'm having such a good giggle. Anyways, like I said, here we go. I see this trade is now not working out, so that makes me feel a little bit better. You know, still winning for me. You guys have like never seen me eat on this live stream before. Today's the day. You guys are gonna see me actually eat something. It's mine! This is mine! Okay, I'll share this little one with you. I'll share the little one with you. Yo, talk about demanding. You want sugar and stuff? Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. This is why I don't eat on stream. I have to be quiet for a while. Yo, he's spoiled. Mm-hmm. Did you forget to chew? Mm-hmm. He like swallowed it whole. Like an absolute chop. Yep. Have the dog food. The dog sweeties. There we go. Apparently we are making like a food content right now. Oh, he loves these. Marshmallow, soft and chewy treats, marvelous maple bacon flavored swirl. This one is for Solly, but I know you would say it. You should eat more often. Wow. Yeah, boy. Okay, so yeah, these markets are Dell, and Dell, but Adele. Like everything else. But just like that. Well, that made my day. Overdose indeed. What about the chart? Looking at the chart. So, if I had moved to break even at 1-to-1, I would have been taken out for a break even here. I'm keeping this up to see what we got. Yeah, here we go. What's not blanky? Good boy. So, is anyone in anything right now? Now that we had a little distraction. That's fine. He's a also Atlanta, you were so rude. Atlanta saying, "Oh, sounds surprisingly good." The silence. The silence sounds good. It's in this hand. you butthead. Okay, so overdose indeed. You think it's going up again? It's just really slow momentum. Flat will wait till New York. Do you really think New York's gonna give us anything with all the news happening tomorrow and Thursday? I've done this price action. It's some of the worst I've seen. It makes me want to yeet myself. So Trade Addict is in a long Atlanta. What did you call that? I saw that. It was rude. I did see that. So Louis sold at 348. You don't see me eating your sweets. So Sharp, you'd be getting in for a long. Sorry, I'm trying to still talk and eat. This is hard. The Nasdaq hold list. Hold list? Atlanta? What do you mean by hold list? Whoop, okay. So that definitely would have been a stop loss there. Cool, glad I listened to myself a little bit here and there. Now and then, believe it or not, I do listen to myself. Let's see what we get here, if it's gonna go up. Louis, easy TP hit, nice. Want to trade, becomes super volatile, either way up or down. Holds for 5 minutes. Oh, for minimum of 5 minutes. That's interesting. I just ordered some sushi. Ooh, nice. I'm on the short side. The short was on. So this is literally just doing sad price action. Seek and destroy. Take out internal, take out external, take out internal. It looks like it's headed to go and take out external again. So days like this would be once the high is broken. Once it's broken, you take the sell. Once it's broken, you take the buy. You would have just been a little bit screwed with this one here, but yeah. Interesting. Short was wait, how'd you get that beef jerky stuff all of us when you were talking about this? When you were live and sent it to yeah! My best friend is watching. My best friend is watching. Shout out. And she saw us talking about Biltong and I was like, yeah, I'm craving it now. And she said this delivery without me knowing. That's why I said I heard someone outside. It was the delivery guy with the Biltong. With full channel, back up 15 minutes. Private indicator plan to first consolidation, then upside it'll go up overall. Okay, so you're thinking it's still a bullish day, just yeah, just with some meh in between. $28. Looking very greenish for New York. I get your which is cool. It's all insane. I like your best friend. Reminds me of me. There we go. I love it. I love it, guys. Yeah, not only did she send me stuff, she also sent Perry some sweeties. Let me actually show you guys better. Sorry. Let me do this. You'll be able to see a little bit better. So she sent Perry sweets. So he's now super happy. He had like 3 of these already. They're like marshmallow sweets. They do not smell good, but he really likes them, so. You've ever like, maybe I'm weird, you ever smelled a dog treat and been like, this stinks, this is so gross. But the dogs go crazy for them. And then, yeah, so this is Biltong. She sent it. Yep. So this one is a bit more of a beef snap sticks. They call it the snap sticks, but it's still Biltong. A whole baggie. So guess what I'm gonna be doing after the stream today? I'm gonna be sitting here eating that. Oh, what was butterfly of the day? Ooh, that's a good question. Can we go and check? What was I checking? Oh, butterfly of the day. Which page? I think so. We did something different. Boom. Today selected. It was at 67. No. It was a brown. Which brown though? Wasn't that one? Wasn't that one? This one. It was a big eye brown. Butterfly of the day was a big eye brown. It looks like that. When I googled it, I did not get the correct thing. But yeah, it's literally called a big eye brown. Patronymphia loxo. Nailed it. Okay. Butchered that. Not gonna try and say that name. That when she saw this morning, her edit, it was total wow. You know, Excel's. Fuck off, go. Yeah, Neil, go on, do it. Not crying inside. First time here, a friend of mine kept telling me to give random session try. I woke up at 2 AM. It was beautiful. I'm sure to thank him properly after I napped. Chris, yeah, you guys aren't gonna be friends anymore after today. As we break below the 5 minute zone, unbelievable. Big-eyed brown. Yep, basically Atlanta. Is that beef jerky? Nah, it's technically biltong. Tis biltong. I guess it's similar to beef jerky, but not exactly. It's like South African beef jerky. Tony, it's beef jerky that went to Harvard. Wait.
Nice.
That was good. That was really, really good. Neil, that's exactly how I would describe it. Okay, one more bite. It's mine! You had your sweeties! Mm-hmm. Give me 2 seconds. Let me move this. Up there. Close the window. Oh my gosh! I was gone for 2 seconds. What just happened? Sorry, as Overdose indeed says, like, buy zone, now's a good time for a buy. Look at this thing. What? That's what I was waiting for earlier, but it just had to go up, mess around first, grab a little bit more liquidity, and then come back down. Oh, Louis, that's interesting. Makes sense, though. Took me out, Ihor. Okay then. Okay then. Bought at 288. Seriously? You bought at 288? Secured 20 bones. Do we think this is actually gonna break below properly now? Sure. Sure, you got in on that one quick. Are you still looking for buys then, Louis? Okay. Still watching, still gonna be waiting. Let's see what we get. Buyers stepping in. Is anybody out there? What's up, Arthur? What's up? What's happened? Oh, you said it broke the neckline earlier? Sorry. It still looks like it's doing seek and destroy. Is that what you're doing? Anytime it takes out a low, you're gonna buy, and anytime it takes out a high, you're gonna sell? Shot is not up, the short's going down. Hey, the blue TV fan. What's up? Come on, climb. The short's not going up. A voice texting while driving. Damn, I appreciate the enthusiasm. Mike M. White flag. Keep it simple, stupid is the phrase. Isn't it stupid simple? Actually, don't know now. Well, I've accidentally opened fraction position, so only a couple pounds lost. I mean, I guess that's fine. Am I selling? This great phrase. Oh, didn't even know there was like a thing where you call it kiss. And I really have no idea. Ah. I'm pretty sure it's stupid simple. Keep it stupid simple. Keep it stupidly simple. Yeah. Keep it simple stupid. Because if you're saying keep it simple stupid, it sounds like you're calling someone stupid for not keeping it simple. I don't buy blindly. I don't use ICT or SMC. Never learned it. Oh, I don't just... Well, I think I do anyways. Alex, what's up? Oh, now I see. Hit the blind man. I don't mind calling people stupid. I know you don't. Trust Atlanta, I know you don't. Doesn't mean you should be calling people stupid, just saying. And I don't mind keeping it simple. Ah. So, winning. Olivia, is that another 20? Now we're getting some price action, what the heck? Maybe well if the shoe fits. Oh, what do you mean? That was so mean! Wow!
Emotional damage.
Now nothing sounds right. Keep it stupid simple. Keep it simple stupid. Neither of them sound right. I say stupidly simple. But stupid simple. Okay, not all of them just sound like a very mean insult. Look for microbalance coming short and shorter. Y'all not bullies today. Y'all woke up and chose violence. Saw the whole thing with the phrase, that's pretty. And here I'm being bullied. You look like Pippi Longstockings. I'm an algo trader with a private setup. Stupid simple is right. Thank you, Neil. Okay, cool. Not you, I mean calling someone stupid. If shoe fits, it's hard enough to call them stupid, yeah. So FOMC, no, it's not today. It's tomorrow. Sharp? Yeah, it is tomorrow. All the news is happening tomorrow and Thursday. Look at all this. This is all tomorrow and Thursday from, we got, sorry, this is not EST time. This is South Africa time. What's this, 8:30 a.m.? So that's 8 a.m., 8:30 a.m. 9:45. And then, oh, all of these are more in the morning. So that's then cool. Oh, and then again, afternoon time. Okay, so what I'm seeing is tomorrow's going to be chaotic. Tomorrow New York, I mean London might be chaotic, and then New York is either going to be dead or we're actually going to get some proper setups again. Luckily I only have like 3 stupid people around me, but they make life real fun, that's true. Hey Moga, what's up? Bad bot tomorrow, I can't imagine inflation dropping. I think going into May we're going to see some circuit breakers new here. What am I trading? Oh, what's up, millionaire status? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures, and the micros to be exact. What's up? I buy aggressively in chunks, bit by bit before reversal. No, definitely keep it simple, stupid. I think it should be derogatory. Interesting how it's a same phrase that clearly a bunch of us are using, but just different. Man, so I had the right idea, just it was rude about it. Well, that's disappointing. Sold 3 or 4, maybe I can write this down. Some people definitely need to be called stupid. So Sabers, have you guys heard focus? So we were just talking about KISS and what KISS can stand for. Have you guys heard what focus could stand for? What's up, Root? How are we doing? That's me for London, time to hit the gym. Oh, enjoy, Neil. See you back for New York, hopefully, right? Hey, Perrier? I feel like I butchered that. Hey, except, mine's a little bit different. Mine is F off, because you're stupid, but sure, find out because you're stupid. Works just as well, probably a little bit better, more PG. Hey Maya, guess what? You're not stupid, you're just new. I can't wait to show you what I know for your trigger shyness. Damn, Life Sound, you got the PG version of that one. I always knew the not so PG 13 version of that one. I cannot believe it did that to me earlier. Correct idea. Correct in what I wanted to see it do. It just had to come and retest all of this rubbish first before actually giving it to us. Oh, it's a pity I saw this a little late. Here, cleaner urinal services. Sorry, I guessed. I prefer. Yep. So you actually guessed that. Well done. Well done. Damn. Look at you go. Man, June are gonna be insane in crypto. Why do you say that, Sharpening? Or what exactly do you think is gonna be insane? Starter tracement at the bottom of the inverted head and shoulder. I love the low. Let's see if this taps back in. I would like to see it go back down to the bob level. Also, what happened here? Look at this volume spike. This was a hectic volume spike at 533. Was there a tweet or something? Finding out cookies use sugar. September is when I become a millionaire. You think so? Hopefully. Oh, I love it. Well, Life Sound, you know what? I'm very proud that you got that. That is awesome. Or should I be concerned that you got it? Yeah, like I said, let's see if it hits down to... If it taps into 70, it's good, but obviously, ideally, if it taps into 65. Let's see if we then get a turnaround from there. Oh my gosh, I can't believe that it took basically all of London session to start seeing some movement. It's concerned. My therapist is concerned, but hey ho, what does she know? Okay, get down with conspiracies or not, but I'm the new Finch, you want to convert rates and pivot into crypto, but they can't do that without some kind of... Oh, interesting. If you want to be a millionaire in September, claim it. It will happen, I guarantee it. Oh, look at that! Louis, it's gonna happen now. You guys have like the proper goals. I'm about to do a dark joke. Are you guys ready? You guys have like the proper goals of, yeah, you know, by this time I want to be a millionaire, or I want to maybe like purchase my first house, or whatever the case may be. If I was like, what are your goals? I'm like, I don't know, just be happy, I guess. Don't tell me that's not dark as heck. If someone had to say that to you, you'd be like, oh damn, okay. Like, was ready to take more money? Then... A few more minutes to go, but this went a nice bob to bob. Let's see if it rejects off of it. If it's gonna keep going down. Oh, asking me press buy button and mine's saying you want trading today. Overdosed indeed. Yeah, no. Sit on your hands. Sit on them. Like literally sit on them. Don't let yourself do this. Hey Blue, what's up? I just don't like to make $4. That's 9. Nice, there we go, Arthur. Please don't do a dog joke. A dog joke? Why? What's wrong with dog jokes? To be fair, I don't even... Oh, a dog. I said dog, not dog. Be the man you yourself needs to be, and I'm sure you will. Want to be like midday napping in September. We are not the same. Oh my gosh.
That's what she said.
Nice. If I come to say, show me around, I promise. We had no small smoke. Is there stuff about butterflies or whatever? Nice, Louis, there we go. I mean, South Africa is huge. You have to pick where you want to go. Like, do you like beaches? Do you like the bush? Do you like animals? What's your thing? Your accent. There's nothing wrong with my accent, Atlanta. Just saying. Okay? Okay. The 1 minute chart really makes it look bad, yep. Oh, I think you say retracement now. I wouldn't be surprised. See, tapped into that bob level. To see some rejection happening off of here would be quite nice. My favorite setup today, I regret it. Oh. Is that an Irish accent? Nah. I'm just pure South African. I think sometimes... I don't even know. I don't even know. Ooh, okay. Apparently going back down. I trade the weekly chart. Oh, damn. Okay. Okay. That makes sense, Shop. That makes a lot of sense. The dog sounds like Doc. You think this is a Canadian accent? But only if I hit a milli. Guys. I'm gonna be calling it a tad bit early today because, well, I can't get in on any of this. Yeah. I think I'm calling it. I'll be back for New York. I can't get in on any of this. To be fair, theoretically, I should have called it when I saw that this was going sideways. We now have some movement, so maybe I'm gonna just create the Maya effect for you. Maybe I'm gonna give you some good setups. You know, Maya effect should be good. Should get some decent things, but I'm gonna call it. I see it's just taken out the lows on ES as well, so let's see what happens. Not the only one that thought you sounded Irish. I'll go with it. I'll take it. But I will be back for the New York session, so fingers and toes crossed. Hopefully we get something good. If not, guys, tomorrow's gonna be insane. Tomorrow is going to be absolute insanity. I'm so keen for it. I love you guys madly. I will then see you for the New York session. Trade safe if you're trading this. If you're not good at trading this, then sit on your hands. Literally, sit on your hands. Okay. But I love you guys madly. I will then see you later, alligator. Yeah. Bye, guys.